Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Apple HomePod. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the wrapping here. Let's go ahead and peel this off. After taking the wrapping off, you're greeted with the HomePod itself. If you slide up the case, then you're greeted with the beautiful masterpiece itself. It is coiled here with the black cable. Just plugged into it, and the quick start guide tells you how to set it up. Here's your warranty information, and then here's your Apple stickers, as usual from Apple. Other than that, there's nothing else in the box. So this right here is your Apple HomePod. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys thumbs this video up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more.